One of my most commonly asked questions is, what type of houseplant soil do you use? And we make the same mixture for all of our aroids, cacti, succulents. We want a very airy mixture that will allow for good drainage. So we start off with some regular soil or any type of moss. We sometimes will use like a cocoa core fiber moss, something to give a little bit of nutrients in the soil, and then we add in some chunky materials to allow for good drainage. We use a mixture of perlite, cocoa core, and sometimes orchid bark. I personally like the bigger chunks of cocoa core like this. This is a course number 4, but we also mix in some of our smaller perlite pieces as well. And then we also mix in this cocoa core chunks like this. Again, that will create a lot of space in the soil and allow for good drainage. When you are using these types of materials, you want to make sure that you are supplementing nutrients. So we will either add in a liquid fertilizer after we pot, or sometimes we will use the slow release fertilizer balls. So make sure that you are supplementing some nutrients in there as well. But for most aroids, cacti, succulents, you are going to want a chunky mixture that will allow for good drainage. Why do we want good drainage? If the soil is too dense, it will almost suffocate the roots and cause root rot. So again, you want something that will allow for good drainage.